In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Notion via Make to seamlessly transfer payments into your database. So whether you're automating your workflow or just trying to keep everything organized, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to set up your Make scenario. Begin by logging into your Make account, and once you're in, click on Create a New Scenario. This will allow you to craft a custom automation process tailored to your specific needs. Next, click on the plus icon and search for Stripe. This is going to be the first module you add. You'll need to decide on a trigger for your scenario. A common choice here is Watch Payments or Watch Events. This trigger ensures that whenever a new payment is recorded, the automation kicks in. After you've set your trigger, go ahead and click Add to save this module in your scenario. Moving on, let's connect your Stripe account. Within the Stripe module, hit the Add button. Select Stripe from the app list and choose how you want to connect, typically via an API key. Follow the provided instructions and retrieve your API secret key from your Stripe account settings. Enter this key into Make and make sure to save the connection once everything is set. Now, it's time to add a Notion module. Click the plus icon to proceed to the next step. Search for Notion and choose it from the list. The goal here is to create a new database item in Notion whenever a payment is made. So select Create Database Item as your action. To link your Notion account, click Add on the Notion module. You'll typically need to click Connect with Notion and authorize Make to access your Notion workspace. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this connection. With both your Stripe and Notion accounts linked, you'll now see a new module replete with fields from each platform. It's time to map the data fields. Choose the Notion database where you'd like to store your payment information. Drag and drop data from Stripe into the corresponding fields in Notion. For instance, move the Stripe Amount field to Notion's Amount field, Customer Name to Name, and Customer Email to Email. This step ensures all relevant data is correctly organized in Notion. Finally, activate your scenario. Click Save to secure your work, then run a test by hitting Run the scenario once. Make a test payment in Stripe to verify that the data is being transferred and logged in your Notion database accurately. If everything looks good, toggle to activate the scenario. Once activated, it will automatically run whenever a new payment is made, making your workflow efficient and straightforward. Thanks for joining me in setting up your very own automation between Stripe and Notion using Make.